Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Pattern. If you'll watch this stock closely, Axis Bank, okay, this stock has given upside breakout above 730 rupees, but it has closed around 732 rupees. Still, if I would say that this stock has given a breakout, but I'm not sure if this breakout will sustain or not. But if you want to invest in this stock for long term, you can invest in this stock, Axis Bank, for long term. It can even give you a target of 790 rupees from this level, so around 9 to 10% of target from this level. Okay, so if you have heavily invested in Axis Bank around this levels, okay, 620, 23, 25 rupees, which was around, you can say, previous swing low, or around 200 EMA of this stock, around 200 EMA. Remember, around 200 EMA. 200 EMA was not yet tested in this stock, but still, if you have invested in this stock, then you can average this stock around this 200 EMA. Okay, and if the stock comes around 792, then you can book some sort of a profit. Okay, this is my short analysis for Axis Bank in swing trade. Okay, and let's talk about intraday. If you'll watch this stock closely in intraday, then you will find out that this stock has given upside breakout, but if it fails to give a breakout above this level, and if it fails to sustain above this level and comes below 724, then you can short this stock for further target of 703 rupees as well. This is my short analysis for Axis Bank. But remember, if you want to trade tomorrow, then you should actually be cautious, so that Nifty, if goes bullish towards this level, and the Axis Bank may also go above till this level, and then it may fall and come back to retest this level. Okay, so be a bit, you can say, I can say, be a bit more serious about this stock. It can move towards the upside first and then come downside and test this level and then bounce back. This also can happen in this stock, so be prepared and trade accordingly. Thank you for watching.